Hey, welcome back to Crumbs. Today we're going to be unboxing the Nothing Ear 2. We see here Nothing Ear 2. So on the top of the box there's this little red tab which has an arrow. So we're going to pull. No plastic shrink wrap, which is pretty nice to see for, consumer goods, because it basically gives you no plastic trash per se. So that's really cool unboxing, to be honest. It wraps all around, as you can see. And now we have the box to open. We have the top layer. We have the Nothing X app, which you can scan to put on your phone. And then we have the back, which has Ear 2, some codes, and so on. So let's remove it from there. Let's keep this on the sides. And let's continue with the box. So we have a little booklet, which we can take out. Nothing in there. We have the user guide, safety, lots of safety. I like the theme of black with white ink instead of the other way around. And then we have what seems to be the earbuds themselves, which are here. Let's keep on with the box. So there's this cardboard inlay, and inside we have cable type C and ear tips S and L. The M is probably already mounted. So let's just empty the whole thing. We have the cable type C, so USB type C, which is for charging the case. The case then charges the earbuds, so nothing else in there. We can see again all paper. This is really nice for those that don't want any plastic. Cable is pretty short, but it's nice, and I like the difference in shapes. Like they're just chunky USB-Cs and C to C, so you'll need a powered brick basically, but you should be good apart from that. And then on this side we have the ear tips, which we can open, and we can see it kind of opens into one whole thing, and you have the S size and the L size, and that's about all. And then the earbuds and the case themselves. So let's open this. Again, paper, and here we have it. It says ear case. It has a little like in here, so you can like hold them, which is kind of nice to pull them out of your pocket. It's all transparent, following the theme of nothing. As the USB type C here, this is probably the pairing button, nothing else. And as you can see, we can open it, pull out the earbuds and such. So yeah, that's the unboxing for the Nothing Ear 2. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Bye.